Hey guys, what's up? Natalie here from Serpwizz, and we're still doing the SEMRUSH series. Previously, we have made a trial account here with SEMRUSH because in order to access all of these tools and features, you would need to at least set up a free trial account with them. So, previously, if you haven't seen the playlist of our SEMRUSH series, which you should, I'm gonna leave a link on the description box below so that you can have a look at all those videos and be on the follow with what we're doing or what we're currently doing right now, because we have tackled example navigating through the SEMrush landing page, creating the free trial account, as well as the project and SEO dashboards, and these tools under SEO. So today we're going to do keyword gap, and the way this tool works is that you get a full analysis of your keyword with keywords from your competitors. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check how or see how this tool works. So basically, you just enter your competitors. You can specify, you can see here, you can specify up to 5 domains, subdomains, folders, or exactly URLs, and get a list containing all common and unique keywords they rank for. So with that, you also get to choose the keyword type. So it's either organic, paid search, or product listing ad keywords. So all of the, you can also combine, mix and match those so that you can assess, as you can see here, assess your SEO and PPC efforts. And then also, of course, you would want to stay ahead on the, of the terms. You would want to discover new keywords and get the largest keyword profiles, create your own keyword master list so that you can be, or you can have a leverage among your competitors. So let's go ahead and utilize this tool and see for ourselves what it can do. So let's do this, and I'm just gonna enter Serpwizz's domain right here, and for me to have something to input here on our competitors, I'm just gonna use another tool that we have previously made a review of, and it's organic research. And then you can go ahead and click on this tab right here, and you will be able to see a list of your competitors right there. So I'm just gonna get these what do you call this, these domains, and then enter those so that we can utilize the keyword gap tool. So I have entered two other domains, two competitor domains in the tool, and I'm just gonna leave it as is and go with organic keywords. And here you can also select the country that you would want to see the results of. I'm just gonna stick with the United States and then hit compare. So here we already have the results as is. Alright, so here you can see here Serpwizz's domain and then the other competitors that I have inputted. You can search if you want the US database or the US dedicated database or United Kingdom. You can click whatever country that you prefer here, as well as change the device if that is what you want to do. And here you just need to click on these tabs to change the results that you want to display. So top opportunities, it's not showing anything. Keyword overlap. So this is Serpwizz and the competitors that we have entered, and this is the result for the keyword overlap metric. And then so you see here, there is no shared keyword amongst these three domains. So that is how it looks like when you're using the keyword gap tool. As you can see, it's very easy. It's very straight to the point. So you wouldn't have any problems using this tool and generating the results that you need to improve your SEO performance. So that's it for the keyword gap tool under SEMRUSH, or under the SEO category in SEMRUSH. And we will be doing a lot more of these videos. If you can see right here, there's still a lot more that we have to cover just under SEO alone. There are so much features and tools that we need to go through, and we also will be doing these under, or these other categories that are under SEMRUSH. So I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully you find this helpful and useful to you and your SEO task, and see you again on the next one.